Afternoon, YouTube. Ferocious Mgtow here. I am rolling. I'm back in the yard. Back from St. Louis. I'm off for the rest of the day. I just got here. I'm off for the rest of the day, and I leave back out tomorrow, going to Kansas City, Missouri. And then when I come back from that, I'll be going to Louisiana, and then probably Texas from there. So yeah, things are slowing down for us, but still moving pretty good for me. You know what I mean? I'm keeping myself busy by staying on top of my dispatchers and my manager, and they keeping me moving because they know I like to move. I like to get this bread, so they helping me stay moving. Guys that don't really want to work during this time because they're afraid of the cold beer flu, you know, they getting plenty of time off. So I'm filling in the gaps for these guys, and I'm steady moving because, like, you know, I'm not afraid of it. But yeah, I said I hadn't came to you out with no video. I ran out of storage space, so I'm on my secondary phone. Oh, might not be as good, but I'm in the pickup right now. I'm in the Black Beauty, baby. You dig? They go to Walmart. The Walmart. Right now, the only place you can go to get some people to get some attention. The only place women can go to get some attention is the Walmarts now. Since I ain't got much to do, I'm gonna ride through here and show y'all what it's looking like over here in Illinois, Chicago. I'm in the suburbs. Just to give you guys an idea, I'm sure this is going on in you all city too. Can't even talk. But look at the line, look at the line. Look at the line. Some people got masks on, some people don't. Some people got gloves on, some people don't. Let me just cut back through here. I don't really need nothing, but if I do, I'll wait till this evening and get something. Alfa Romeo. That's an Alfa Romeo, y'all. First time I seen one in person. Alfa Romeo, okay. But yeah, I said I'm gonna go to my P.O. box, go by the health food store, see if I can buy up the remaining vitamin C if they got any in stock. They didn't have any in stock the last time I was in town, so now that I'm back, I'm gonna see if I can go over here and buy what they have. But I just want to show you guys what it's looking like. What it's looking like in Chicago. They go to beauty supply store. Look at the line. Y'all see the line? They gotta have they weave. Gotta have they nails. It's amazing. They gotta have it. They gotta have it. Y'all go ahead and do y'all thing. I'm gonna try to go over here and get some vitamin C. I got a few bottles, but I don't know if they're gonna last me, so let me see if I can squeeze through here. Can I squeeze through here? Yep, I can. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in here and see if they got any vitamin C. I'm gonna put you all on pause, and then I'll pick up when I come back to head over to the P.O. box to see if I got anything over there, and then I'm gonna come to you all with my little talk for today. All right, be back with you in a minute. I'm back at you. I went inside, health food store. No vitamin C. But luckily, I ordered some through Amazon, so it should be in my P.O. box. So I just wanted to see if they got some extra, because it sells out pretty fast. So okay, let me turn it back on and ride and talk to you guys. All right, I'm gonna roll the scenic route. It's a typical neighborhood in the suburbs here in Chicago. See no guys standing around, everybody on quarantine. See a lot of cars in the driveway. Just to let you know these guys are not working, because right now they still should be at work. But a lot of these guys are still off or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna ride and just talk to you all. I'm in my Black Beauty. And I want to talk about masculine men. Okay, I think I kind of covered some of these points that I'm gonna raise in previous videos, but it still needs to be hammered home or whatever. These feminists, they only want to promote simpism. You know, they want to raise a Simpenstein, okay? Because true masculine men, we're not gonna put up with their bullshit. You know, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna allow them to rule over us. We're not gonna allow them to disrespect us in public or in private, for that matter. We're not gonna allow them to, there goes somebody advertise. See what the advertisement says, y'all? CDL American Plus Driving School. So somebody's still teaching CDL school. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, they want to punish masculine men, okay? Because they don't want you to be masculine. They don't want you to be the head of household. They don't want you to be basically responsible. They don't want you to be responsible. They don't want you to be a father to your children. They don't want other men to follow your lead, because if most of the men was masculine men, feminism would fall apart immediately. They wouldn't have an army of simps to send at masculine men. You know, your police officer, you know, 9 times out of 10, most of them are simps. You know, people in the army, it's mostly simps. You know, you got mostly simps everywhere. So when they see you even saying something that's challenging a woman's superiority and privilege status, you know, a simp step right up. You know what I mean? And want to challenge you, the masculine male, and then you have to harm these simps, and then they got a place for you. It's called the penitentiary. You know, you got a lot of simps and masculine men in the penitentiary, and in there we sort each other out. You know, the masculine men are allowed to take over and put the simps in their place. You know, but yeah, that's what they do. Pick only simps. Masculine men, we're frowned upon. If you say something that's remotely glorifying masculine men or masculine male traits, you start hearing grumblings. And you sound like a chauvinist, right? They use the name calling and the shaming tactics. And then when they realize that doesn't work, then they want to call the army of simps against you. And they really want these simps to get physical with you, okay? Yes, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I was saying that they sent an army of simps at you for being a masculine male. So that's why I said we can't allow them to get away with this. We can't allow them to forget about this. We got to hold them accountable, right? So we shouldn't be doing anything extra for them, okay? We should make no apologies for being masculine. We still could be courteous and we still could be conscientious, but at the same time, we shouldn't be doing anything extra for them, okay? This goes for any of them, family members included, okay? Unless they're paying us. And I would say get your money up front, because they will renege. They will renege. So get your money up front. They are great at reneging, and they see nothing wrong with it. I saw a video. I like to watch some of the little videos on YouTube when these little couples be doing the pranks and this and that. It's a horrifying theme that I noticed with all these prank videos with the different couples. The man has to get hit. He's being abused. He's being called names. He's being violently attacked. All his stuff is being bleached, thrown in the street. He's being embarrassed. All kind of stuff. And I'm saying to myself, like, wow. So now I'm starting to not like these videos. Okay? I'm really starting not to like these videos. But okay, guys, I kind of took you all on the run. It's only short run, but at least you get an idea. It's nice here. Look, this parking lot is full. So that tells me something. Fat BW, freaking braids. I don't think I was gonna let you by. I'm not letting you by. Ain't nowhere really even to park in this damn place. I'm gonna park back here and just have to walk back. Since ain't nobody in this parking lot, it's okay to walk. But yeah, guys, stay masculine, okay? And don't bite your tongue, but be respectful, be conscientious, and okay. Be masculine, and women just gotta fend for themselves. Simple as that. Fend for yourself, plain and simple. And the more and more I look around society and see the way things are going, you know, we pretty much gonna all have to go monk, or we gonna have to go to the third world and get a chick out of the bush, like Eddie Murphy said. You know what I mean? We just got to make sure we don't bring her to America, because these women will Americanize her, and then she would be tripping just like the rest of them be tripping. But okay, guys, thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up button, and I'll come back at you when I figure out this SD situation I got. I need a new SD card or whatever. So I'll figure that out. But I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll be back at you with another video tomorrow. All right, peace and hair grease.